I can't believe what I'm seeing there. I honestly can't believe what I'm seeing. I don't feel that this is actually real. I had to double check it again and again and again. But it's real. It finally happened. We reached 1,000 subscribers. I feel excited, anxious, and a burst of emotions are going through my head that I was doubting myself so much. But I just wanted to keep trying and try and try and try again. Thank you so much to everybody that supported the channel, that is still continuing to enter in the channel, and to all those that are actually joining the live stream. Thank you so much for your support. I honestly didn't think this was actually gonna reach to 1,000. Even if it did reach, I didn't think it was gonna be as fast or as slow as I thought. I thought it was so slow, and I still think it's slow, but I don't care. I am just very appreciated about that. Thank you so much for just supporting and watching my channel and joining the live stream, just going in. I didn't think anybody was going to be interested in this topic, even though I know other people talk about it, but I just didn't think about it. I just wanted to try it. But thank you for all your suggestions, and thank you to the person who suggested that I should have a Discord server. There were no members. It was at 0 members. Now we have in total 28 members, and I still don't believe that. There are already 28 people. I am still surprised to myself that there's already 28 people in there, and I can't believe that. Again, guys, thank you so much. I feel I'm trying to speak out, but I feel like my emotions are just going over my head because I still can't believe the number that I'm looking at right now. Thank you so much for just seeing the channel and liking what you see. I'm going to be doing more stuff later on. Thank you again, everybody. I cannot stop saying the word thank you. I'm just so appreciated about this. You guys really just make me do more of this stuff, because I feel that you guys actually like what I'm doing. Thank you again. It has been really an emotional day after finishing today's live stream. I finished it up earlier than what I used to, and then a few hours later I check my phone and I see that I reached 1,000, and I'm still in denial about it, even though I know I was close. But I still didn't think it was gonna happen. It might happen maybe a few months, maybe we would have just stayed there stuck, but then I just saw it. Thank you so much. You guys really are the best. Your support has always been incredible. I feel that I'm just repeating myself. It don't matter. Thank you all for watching. I appreciate you guys. I will see you in the next one. As always, guys, enjoy the rest of your day. You have a great day now. Thank you again for the support. You have all been incredible. Goodbye now. Thank you so much once more. I feel it. I don't even know why I'm laughing. I just still can't believe it. Wow. I don't know why, but it feels like a milestone. Thank you so much. Goodbye, guys. I'll see you in the next one.